Hello everyone, my name is Chetan. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Thanks a lot for the awesome response you guys gave on my last video. These are the Bullets Wireless Z, the latest pair of wireless earphones from OnePlus. I did unbox these in my last video. Those who haven't checked that video yet, link is in the description box below. I also promised to give this away to one of you guys. Watch this video till the end to know if you are the winner. When these OnePlus earphones were released at a competitive price of 1,999 rupees, it was obvious that OnePlus was targeting the budget wireless earphone sector. This sector has many options, but the Realme Buds Wireless are a tough competition at 1,799 rupees. So, in this video, I'll compare these two earphones and then tell you guys which ones you should go for. To make things easy, I have compared these earphones based on 5 basic things. Starting with design. Both the earphones sport the same neckband type design. The neckband on both the earphones is made up of this soft rubber material and is flexible enough, but the Bullets Wireless Z is more flexible than the Realme. The Realme Buds have slightly stiff neckband, which is not bad, but the Bullets Wireless Z do fold up easily. Moving on to these sections which house the battery, OnePlus has stuck to plastic, which is okay, but Realme on other hand chose a nickel titanium alloy which gives these earphones a premium look. Moving to the cables, Realme has this rich pattern on its cables which gives it a rugged look and also feels sturdy. And also, it is a bit thicker than the cables present on OnePlus. Length of the cables on both the earphones is quite adequate. OnePlus gives this controller on the left hand side cable, which I think is a right spot as it is easily accessible. Realme has placed these controls on the right side collar piece. Now personally I think this placement is not that accessible if you are wearing a shirt or a polo t-shirt. In this case, I prefer the OnePlus earphones. Both OnePlus and Realme offer these earphones in a bunch of different colors, which do look quite trendy. Then come the earbuds, which brings us to the next topic. Comfort and fit. Starting with OnePlus, they have this unique design of earbud which fits perfectly in your ears and will not fall off easily. They also isolate the ambient noise to quite an extent. You can comfortably wear these earphones for long hours. Moving to Realme, they have this common earbud design with the ear hook. Now, I got to give some extra points to Realme for these ear hooks, as they help for a firmer fit than OnePlus. Personally, I feel these earphones are more comfortable when compared to the Bullets Wireless Z. The earbuds are a bit bigger in size when compared to OnePlus, but that's due to the hardware present in them, which I'll explain in detail in the next section. Sound and microphone quality. This is the primary thing that matters when you're looking to buy any earphones. And these two earphones have their own unique qualities. Starting with the Realme earphones, as I mentioned earlier, they have slightly bigger earbud since they house a big 11.2mm bass boost driver compared to the 9.2mm drivers present on OnePlus. This bass boost driver in Realme Buds simply blows away the OnePlus in the bass section. The bass generated by these Realme Buds is awesome. Each thump is noticeable. But as the bass is that high, you have to compromise on other parameters. Here, the Bullets Wireless Z shine, as they have somewhat proper sound. The Z gets very loud, but you will not notice any distortion at max volumes, and the sound separation is also very good. To put in simpler terms, if you enjoy only the bass in the music, then Realme will suffice your need. But for an all-round music performance, I will suggest the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z. Speaking of microphone quality, here also the OnePlus takes away the points, as the microphone is aptly situated in this controller, which is closer to your mouth. While in the Realme Buds, it is present on the collar piece. This does have a significant effect on your voice quality. Battery life and charging. Both these earphones support 10-minute fast charging. While the Realme Buds provide 100 minutes of playback on charging for 10 minutes, the Bullets Wireless Z provide an astonishing 10 hours of playback in the same time. This fact remains same for the total battery backup given by these devices on full charge. While the Realme Buds provide just 12 hours of backup, the Bullets Wireless Z provide 20 hours. Now that's simply amazing. And I have been using these earphones for quite a while, And I must say, OnePlus does last for around 18 hours, while the Realme Buds last only for 10 hours. So clearly, OnePlus has the better charging speed and way better battery life. Features. Now while all the main features of the earphones are covered until now, there are some more features which make these earphones worth the money. Both earphones have magnetic controls, which mean you can clip them together and they turn off instantly, also pausing the music or video. The music does playback automatically once you separate them, but this feature is only seen on respective brand smartphones. Both earphones have Bluetooth 5.0, which provides better connectivity over long ranges. Both these earphones have IP protection, but the Realme Buds are IPX4 rated. That is, they only have protection against water. The Bullets Wireless Z on the other hand are IP55 rated, which means they have protection against dust and water. If you plan to use any of these earphones while gaming, then the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z have a built-in low latency mode, but this mode works only with the OnePlus phones. I did test both of these earphones while playing PUBG and didn't notice any lag in audio, so both of these earphones perform equally good. One more feature, the Bullets Wireless Z Pack, is the quick switch. This feature allows you to quickly switch between two paired devices just by double tapping the pairing button. Since nowadays, many of us are working from home, attending calls on laptops and mobile, this feature makes it easy to quickly switch between these two devices. So it's clear that OnePlus provides more features than the Realme Buds. After thoroughly comparing these earphones, it is quite clear that the Bullets Wireless Z are better value for money when compared to the Realme Buds Wireless. The Realme Buds do outrun OnePlus in some areas, but when it comes to overall performance, the Bullets Wireless Z win this one. Yes, you do have to shell out 200 rupees more than the Realme Buds Wireless, but you get some extra features and the service provided by OnePlus makes it worthwhile. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. Now, as promised in my last video, I'll be giving away these OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z. The video received many comments, and after filtering the duplicate users, the winner is Sandeep Patel. His comment is valid. Also, he subscribed to my channel. Congratulations Sandeep. You have won these awesome earphones. I'll be contacting you soon. For those who did not win this giveaway, don't be disappointed. I'll bring more such giveaways in upcoming videos. So be sure to be subscribed and turn on that bell icon to get notified when new video goes live. Also, the gear I use for making these videos are mentioned in the description box below. If you want to buy them, do click on the mentioned link. It will help the channel. That's about it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. And if you did, don't forget to click that like button. And if you like to see some more awesome videos, do subscribe if you haven't already and click that bell icon to get notified when I post some new videos. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Till then, stay home, stay safe.